Imagine holding a phone in your hand that costs more than a Lamborghini. Yes, $500,000. A mobile phone. But don't scroll away yet, because this story gets crazier. Here's the loophole. This phone doesn't exist to be used, it exists to be shown. So why would anyone pay $500,000 for the Vertu Signature Cobra? Let's break it down slowly. This phone is handcrafted, not factory made. It's wrapped in real gold, embedded with rare diamonds, and the Cobra design itself is made by luxury jewel artists. This isn't technology, this is jewelry that can make calls. Vertu also gives something money usually can't buy: status. Owners get a 24/7 private concierge, elite lifestyle access, and high-level privacy and security. This phone whispers one thing: I belong to the top 0.001%. But now let's be honest. Can it beat an iPhone camera? No. Can it play heavy games? No. Can it do anything your $1,000 phone can't? Absolutely not. For daily life, this phone actually makes no sense at all. You're paying for diamonds, not downloads. Luxury, not logic. So here's my honest opinion. The Vertu Cobra is not a phone. It's a statement. It's for collectors, billionaires, and people who want to flex without speaking. But here's the real question. If you had unlimited money, would you buy a $500,000 phone? Or is this luxury gone too far? Comment below, because your answer might say more about you than this phone ever could.